Hello kids! In my last video, we learned what is computer, how it works, what is the functions of computer and what is the parts of computer. In today's video, we are going to learn how keyboard works. Yes, and if you're watching me first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Subscribe so that you will get notifications about my new video and you will not miss it. So, I am going to show you from first. When you open the laptop, yes, I have laptop here because I don't have computer, so I am going to show you in laptop. When you first open the laptop, you can see this button here. Okay, this is the on and off button. So to on the laptop, you have to switch on this button. Now I am starting it. See, you can see my laptop is on now. Okay. Now our laptop is open. So what we are going to do? We are going to learn about keyboard, how it works on laptop. Okay. Generally what we do when we want to write something, we open our notebook. At the same time, when we want to write something on laptop, we have to open Notepad. Notepad is the notebook for laptop. Now how we will open Notepad here? Okay. You can see this is type here to search is written. This is called search bar, and you can see I am moving my finger here. Okay, this is the mouse for laptop and this is the cursor. Okay, so you have to bring your cursor here and you have to write Notepad, and see if I write, and by default it shows Notepad. Okay, so we are going to open it. You have to just click on it. See, our Notepad is here. Now I maximize it. Okay. Now see, in our keyboard there are approximately 104 keys are present. Okay. What are those keys? First, we will start from our alphabets. There are 26 alphabets present, and here also 26 alphabets are there. You can see Q to P, A to L and Z to M. These are called our alphabet keys. So with the help of alphabet keys, we can write letters. Okay. And you can see this one. This is called this key. This is called space bar. This is the longest key of the keyboard. Okay. Now we will start writing. Okay. We will write I am a girl. Okay, see. Then what we will do? Then you got to know what is the use of this one. This one we will use for creating space in word in a sentence. Okay, I space, am space, a space, then girl. Okay, after that what comes? Now you know this both alphabet and spacebar keys function. Now we are going to jump on this. Okay, these are called symbol keys. Okay, so after girl, when our sentence finish, what we are going to do? We are going to put full stop, or if you want to write something, then we will put comma. Okay, so these are the full stop, comma, colon or punctuation mark and brackets. Okay, I'm going to show you. See. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to show you number keys. There are 0 to 9 number keys are present. Okay. Here also one number row you can find, and here also you can find number keys. Okay. Above this you can see these symbols. Okay, these are called symbol keys. Yes, and it will not work like this. See, if I going to write, if I going to press on this button, it is not going to work. Okay, so what I have to do? I have to put shift, and at the same time I am going to press this. Now our exclamation mark worked. So shift is a function key. It works in the combination of keys. Itself it can't work. Okay. Now again she. Now $sign came. Now percentage sign came. How it came? Simultaneously I am pressing shift and this 2 button, pressing shift key and 4 button. See, this is how our symbol key comes. Okay. Now, what is the another use of shift key here? Okay. Shift is here. Now, my first letter is I. Okay. If I want to, okay, wait. If I want to make it capital letter, what I will do? Here, one caps lock button is there. I am going to press caps lock. Caps lock's work is, it will make this alphabetical letters capital. Okay. Now my caps lock is on. You can see the light. I think you can see the light. Okay. Yes. See, it is capital letter now. Now, without caps lock on, how we can write in capital letter? We are going to press the shift key and A. See? Again, shift and A. Yes. Hope it is clear. Now, we will jump to this key. You can see this keys. These all are called function keys. F1 to F12. These all are called function key, but now I am not going to tell you about this. I will make another video on that, so it will clear for you. We will going to learn the basic keys now. Okay. In this function keys, you can see this volume down button, this volume up button, minus and plus. This is mute button. Okay. And this is brightness up. You can you can increase the brightness of your screen, and this is you can decrease the brightness of your screen. Okay. So F1 to F12 we will learn later. Okay. Now here one escape button is there. What is the work of escape button? If you press escape button, this then you can see this notepad. It will cut. It will disappear from the screen. Now I am not going to do that. If I do, then you can't see. Okay. Then you can see tab button here. What is the use of tab button? Tab button, see, if I press this space bar, then only one space will appear. If I press tab button, then see, it will jump 3 spaces at a time. Okay. Now, yes. Can you see? Yes. I kept it right. So it is going right. Okay. Towards right. If I kept left, then it will go left. Okay. The space is creating at the left. Clear? Then the backspace key. You can see backspace is here. What is the use of backspace? Backspace is used for, now my cursor is here. Okay. If I press backspace button, what is happening? It is going backwards. Okay. From right to left. If you want to erase something, if you want to delete something, okay. See, I am pressing the backspace button. Clear? Now comes enter button. What is the use of enter? Enter, specially what we use for to enter if we want to enter somewhere. Okay. Here also, if you want to open something in your laptop, then you can press enter button, and here in the notepad, it will work like this. See, my cursor is here now. If I press enter button, then it will go down. It will go down. Got it? And if you want to back to position this word, then you have to press backspace. Clear? Then control. Similarly, the shift key can't, it is same as the shift key. Okay. Shift key can't work at a time itself. Okay. Same the control and alt. It need some of the alphabet, some of the numbers and some of the symbols to work. Okay. Now, how control and alt works, we will see in our next video. Okay. This is the Windows button. If I press this Windows button, then our menu bar will come. Okay. Now I'm not going to open this. If I open, it will delete. Okay. Now you can see this. This is up arrow, down arrow, right arrow and left arrow. How it works? See. I press the left arrow. It is going left, left, left. I press the right arrow. It is going right, right, right. Down and up. If it is only one line written here, if you wrote a paragraph, then it will come down and it will go up. Okay. Next, this is the numeric keys. Okay. You can write numbers with the help of numeric keys. 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay. I'm going to show you. Wait. Now my cursor is down. I press the enter button. It came down. I want to add something. Okay. So I am going to write 4. As I said, you have to put shift button and plus. Okay. Then 5 is equal to. Okay. Whatever written down here, it will come by default. And if you want that upper symbol should work, then you have to press the shift button. Got it? Yes. Now what left? Yes. This is page up and page down. What is the work of page up and page down? If you wrote something, if you wrote a paragraph, okay, and you want to go up, if you put page up, it will go up. And if you put page down, it will come down. Okay. Now we have not written anything here, so it is not working. Okay. Hope kids, whatever I said you, it is clear. Okay. In my upcoming videos, I will going to show you how you can work on PowerPoint, how you can do Paint, etc. Okay. So now we are going to wind up. Hope you understood whatever the functions of keyboard, and hope it will help you. Now you are working, you are doing online classes and taking online tuitions. This is the basic keys you should know. Okay. See you in my next video. Till the time, bye bye.